Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Dars, and today I'm going to show you how to have amazing smooth skin all over your body all year round. I'm going to show you 7 amazing tips that anybody can use at home to have beautiful beauty skin. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. I post beauty weekly videos, so make sure to come back for more. Tip number 1, exfoliating before the shower. When you think about the skin of your body, a lot of times you have rough patches because there's a lot of dead skin that just sit on top. But people don't think about so much exfoliating before the shower. And this is a super easy method that anybody can do at home, not just to have smooth body skin, but also for your health. And it is a dry brush. I bought this at CVS. You can get it at any pharmacy or beauty stores. And it's so easy to use, guys. This is not just amazing to have smooth skin, but it's also really good for your health because it helps to eliminate toxins through your lymphatic system and also helps with cellulite. And it's super easy to do. All you need to do is brush your skin towards your lymph nodes. Always brush inwards towards your lymph nodes because that's where all the lymph nodes are, so that way you're not only exfoliating your skin but also helping eliminate toxins from your body. This is a very healthy practice that you can do it every day before you shower. It's great to do before you shower because that way you have all the dead skin and then you can wash it off in the shower as well. But it's a really healthy thing to do in the mornings or in the evening, and it's super relaxing and it feels amazing. It's a different type of brush than a regular hairbrush, so do not use a regular hairbrush. It is a special bristle, natural bristle that is soft and it feels really relaxing all over your body. It should always feel soft on your skin. It should never hurt, and you don't need to do too vigorously. You can just do softly, always towards the middle of your body, towards your lymph nodes. It's amazing and you will see results right away. Tip number 2, exfoliating in the shower. And this is something you don't have to do daily. You can do it just a few times a week or depending on your skin needs. But exfoliating in the shower really helps not just to remove the dead skin as well, helps the circulation, and also depending on the formula that you use to exfoliate your body, can help to firm the skin and also cellulite. For exfoliating in the shower, you can do your own DIY recipes, which would be quite frankly are very, very easy to make, and they're very comparable to the ones you buy on the store. So you can make your own. I have 2 amazing recipes. I'll put the links on the description box below and also somewhere on the screen. The Coffee Body Scrub helps with cellulite and firming of the skin as well as foliation, and the other recipe is a coconut brown sugar, which smells so good and will leave your skin super soft. This one is a store-bought, and this is from Pure Fiji and is a coconut sugar scrub, and it smells like mangoes. The important thing is when you use any body scrub, even the one from the store, is not to put your wet hands in it, is always do a scooper so that way you don't contaminate. Another tip is to exfoliate before you actually shower with your shower gel, because that way you take the excess of oils and your skin still keeps super moisturized, but you don't have that oiliness on your skin. So I like to exfoliate actually when I have conditioner on my hair, so exfoliate my body, and then I follow with my regular shower gel, which would be the next step. Tip number 3, in-shower cleansers and treatments. One thing that I love, doesn't matter which type of gel or soap I use, is this exfoliating glove. I know exfoliation seems to be the theme of the video, but it definitely really helps because your body, even more than your face, sheds a lot of dead skin. And that's why a lot of times you see those little bumps all over your body. So if you don't exfoliate, your dead skin just kind of like groups together and create those bumps. So either dry brushing or exfoliating in the bath really helps. And if you don't have the patience to do all the steps, you can definitely get one of these. These are like a lifesaver. They're super cheap. You can buy like a bunch for like $1 or any CVS or drugstore. And it's just exfoliating gloves. I love them because I just put them on and they're so easy. You just put them on and you use any of your favorite shower gels or soap, and you just lather all over your skin, and that makes sure that every single area, especially your elbows and knees, get exfoliated. So this is definitely a must-have. When you're in the shower, you can use any of your favorite gels and soaps, and a lot of them have different benefits. I particularly like to change around because I love the shower, not just to clean my body and exfoliate, but also as a relaxing. So I like things with nice relaxing scents or different nourishments for the body. And this new thing I've been using this whole month is amazing. It's from Double Dare, and it's called the Honey Milk Drop Body Wash with the I Am Buddy. This was sent to me by Double Dare for review, but I've been so in love with this, guys, because this also exfoliates a little bit. It has an amazing, super soft honey milk scent, and I love that it has these little beads It has these little beads that help to exfoliate the skin, but also when they burst, they have this milky, delicious honey milky scent. They create this very like luxurious foam. I also love using this with the tool that comes with it. It's so soft, it has silicone bristles, and they don't stink, they don't gather bacteria. It's so good. I really enjoy it. And also on the other side, it has this little massage tools that are really amazing for cellulite. So when I'm in the shower, I use this one with the soap to just lather all over my body, and I use this part on like my thighs and whatever I have cellulite to gently massage. And it's so good and helps the circulation and it helps to relax. So I'm really enjoying. I've been using for a whole month and I have used quite a lot of it, but you only need a little bit. It's really foamy. It contains honey, goat milk, sunflower oil. It's so luxurious. I really enjoy it, and I'm using the whole month, and after I run out, I'll definitely repurchase. Another thing I love to use in the shower is body conditioners. Basically what it does is exactly what it says. It's a body conditioner. After you're done with shampoo and the gel and everything, I put this all over my body in the shower when I'm still wet, then just rinse it out. But you don't need to scrub it out. You just rinse it out, and that way you don't have to use moisturizer afterwards. Like, your body will feel so moisturized, and it's so soft, and it's delicious. And the main reason I like body conditioners is because I don't like to feel sticky after shower. So that really helps because you're putting the moisture when your body's still wet, so it goes deep into your skin. And after you rinse it, the excess out, and then you pat it dry, and then you're all done. You do not need to put a moisturizer afterwards. And this one is from Lush, is the Rose Argan Body Conditioner. This is actually my 5th tube, probably. I've been using for many years. I might have mentioned previous like super old favorite videos. It smells amazing. Lush was the first one that started with the body conditioner, but Nivea and other brands, I think Jergens, have come up with different ones as well, and I have used them and I love them too. I'll put all the comparable products in the description box below. I use my body conditioner daily when I shower. I only don't use it the days I do my body exfoliation because the body scrubs that I have already have enough oils in it, so it gives the same effect, and I still don't moisturize afterwards the days I do my body scrubs. So that's just a side note. The days you exfoliate, you don't use the body conditioner. Tip number 4, body masks. And the body masks I love doing in the shower because you're already there, but those I only use like once a month or as needed. And the ones I love the most is the honey body mask, which is basically putting honey all over your body. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but it works, guys. It helps to especially remove any milia from your body and those little rough patches as well. And you can use any honey. I just leave it in my shower, and it's amazing for the body, especially if you have body acne, because honey is antiseptic, is also anti-inflammatory, and is antibacterial. So it's really healthy to put it all over your body. So the honey mask is super simple. You can do once a week, once a month, or as needed. You just, after you shower with your gels and everything, you just put the honey all over your body. And what I like to do is when I do that, I do my hair mask so that way I can double duty. And you can just leave it on for like 5 minutes as you're like, massaging your head, so you don't have to like leave it for too long. And then you just completely wash off your whole body. And I usually follow with the body conditioner. Another body mask you can do is the turmeric one. I have the recipe on my channel. It's actually used on Indian brides' rituals before they get married because the body becomes like super soft and it won't stain your body. The turmeric one is a little more messy, so it's something you don't have to do it like often. You can do once a year or once a month, depending on your skin needs. It helps with acne as well, body acne. It helps to even out the skin tone. It helps to take out like if you have any darkness in any part of your body, that mask helps to brighten any part of your body that is like blotchy, or especially if you have like a suntan and it just looks very blotchy, it will even that out completely and is amazing. So I highly recommend, but I do a disclaimer, it is very messy. So it won't stain your body, but it will stain your shower. So make sure that after you use the mask and you leave it on for like 10 minutes, you wash all over your body, you follow with your regular soaps, and then make sure you scrub the shower so it doesn't become slippery or it doesn't stain your shower. So that is a disclaimer. If you don't clean the shower afterwards, it could stain your shower, so it's a little messy. Just a side note. but it does work and it is amazing. I highly recommend. I will leave the video with the recipe on the description box below too. Super easy to make. You will see amazing results. Tip number 5, after shower treatments. And this is only if you don't use body conditioners or if you don't use the exfoliation. Make sure to always use a moisturizer. And I am so bad about moisturizers because I hate the tackiness of it, but they're a necessity. But if you're like me and you don't like the tackiness feeling and you don't want to do the body moisturizer after the shower, what you can do is choose a body oil. And this one you can choose like your favorite body oils, or you can just literally use coconut oil or olive oil. But that one you have to do it while you're still in the shower with your body still wet. You put the olive oil all over the body, or the coconut oil all over the body, or sweet almond oil, or any of your favorite oils all over your body while still wet, and then rinse it out. Do it the same way as you would do the body conditioner. Make sure you rinse out the excess and then you pat dry, and then you won't feel oily, but you won't need a regular moisturizer because that should be enough. If you do the body oil method, you will not need a body conditioner, you will not need a regular moisturizer because that should be enough moisture. But make sure you do it while you're in the shower, and also make sure you wash your shower afterwards because the body conditioner doesn't leave too oily, but if you use an oil, the shower can get slippery. So if you do this method after you take a shower, I always like to scrub the floor with a little soap so that way it's not slippery. But it's amazing for your skin because if you do this method, you do not need to moisturize afterwards. And make sure you rinse the excess of the oil out and then pat dry your body, and you'll feel your skin the best possible. And my favorites to do this method is the coconut oil and the olive oil. The coconut oil is great because it has the coconut smell to it. The olive oil doesn't smell that great, but after you rinse it and pat dry, you won't really feel the scent. But I prefer to use this oil methods in the evening because that way your skin can really take the treatment as a leave-in treatment through the night. And especially if you live in a hot weather, I don't like doing it during the day because even though you don't feel oily, sometimes when you're sweaty, you may feel a little sticky. So I like to use the oil method in the evening only. Tip number 6, body rollers and massagers. You can buy them online, or if you have like a Chinatown in your city, they usually have them all over Chinatown. I actually bought this in Chinatown, but they also sell on Amazon. And this one is super easy. It's just kind of rolling all over your body, on your neck. On your legs is really good, especially after a workout. This one in particular helps with relaxation and intense muscles and the circulation of the body. So it's not just relaxing, but also healthy. This particular one is one of my favorites because it really helps the cellulite. You can do on yourself, on any area of your body that you have cellulite, and it will really help. So I like to do body massages whenever I have time. We don't have to do it daily, but try to do a few times a week, and it's not only relaxing but also healthy. Tip number 7, special body cares. Because sometimes in your body you may have like little bumps all over the body, or you may have back acne or acne all over your body, and I mentioned some tips on this video as well, but I have 2 other videos that are super informative with also special care that you can do for your body. One is the body acne one, which has many amazing tips to get rid of body acne, and the other one is how to get rid of milia. And milia is basically little bumps that you can get on your body that you don't really pop. They don't look like a zit, they look almost like whiteheads, and you can get them on your face, on your body. But that video I go into a lot more detail, so if you need any special treatments for your body, make sure to check out those 2 videos. They're very informative and they do work. This is it, guys. This is the 7 steps that would definitely give you smooth skin. Even if you follow just some of them, not all of them, you definitely see results. But of course, you can combine them, use them according to your skin needs, and you'll see amazing results. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you get a chance to try them out. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.